Naka na somo. Yung kekele. Asa sinrani waswali tuka. Waswala kekele. To the Nasomo community elders, Nasomo landowners, trustees, Rangkoro, ladies and gentlemen, children, and Lubnaka. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a milestone not only for the landowners, but also for the mining sector and also for the government of Fiji. It marks the day that the rights of the landowners to a fair share of mineral royalties for the extraction of minerals under their land comes to fruition. Ladies and gentlemen, under Section 30 of our Constitution, it mentions that all minerals are owned by the state and provide for the owners of any particular land, irrespective of whether customary or freehold, or of any particular registered customary fishing rights, shall be entitled to receive a fair share of royalties or other money paid to the state in respect of the grant by the state of rights to mine minerals from the land or the seabed in the area of those fishing rights. Ladies and gentlemen, the normal practice for the royalty is for it to be retained by the state as the owners of the minerals under Fiji's Mining Act. However, the current government had passed legislation in May, seating of Parliament giving effect to Section 30 of the Constitution, thus allowing the sharing of royalty, in this case, with the native landowners. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new way of benefit, sharing in mineral development in our beloved country, where mineral royalties is shared equitably amongst the landowners for the betterment of everybody concerned. The Fair Share Law, ladies and gentlemen, is the first of its kind. It's the first of its kind in Fiji and in the region. The landowners of Nasomo, and I'm very proud to say this, are the first landowners to receive this. First landowners to receive it under the 2013 Constitution. Now, this actually proves to you that government's efforts to take care of the landowners in the utilization of their land, and in this instance, the added benefit of the provision of land for mining, whether directly or on the surface or indirectly, as is the case. The share of the royalty is for the gold mining, and Watagola Gold Mines, as you all know, by the Watagola Gold Mine Limited. And I'd also like to acknowledge the Watagola Gold Mine for paying the mineral royalty initially to the Mineral Resources Department. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Nasomo landowners that were involved in the consultation with the ministry staff of Lands and Mineral Resources, and in particular, the Tranikoro and the trustees for the Nasomo landowners, in working with my staff at the MRD in sorting out the issues and making this a historical day. This fair share payout of, ladies and gentlemen, to landowners is in recognition of their contribution to national development. You have contributed immensely to national development and through the use of your land for the purpose of mining. This will also assist in socio-economic development and economic empowerment of the indigenous landowning communities and boost local economic activity in the rural areas and improve the quality of life as per the vision of the government for equitable benefit sharing. You must remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a one-off payment, but it is a series of payments depending on the amount of mineral being mined by the Watagola Gold Mine, as it operates and as it continues to mine below the surface of the land. I hope and I sincerely hope that these monies which the government has shared with you today will be put to good use for the benefit of your families and your community and the harmonious existence with other stakeholders of the mining community. As you all know, we don't only talk about it, we actually do what we have to do. This is a vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, and we have done what we had to do. And I'm very proud to be a part of your momentous day today, and I'm sharing with your joy to make this the first day that we've actually started the sharing of royalties. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to disperse the fair share of mining mineral royalty to you today. God bless you all. I wish you a happy Diwali. Thank you. Nawalemu. Bye-bye.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.